Hello, my name is Sean Henry. I am the founder of I Am Youth Development Center, and we serve the youth of Atlanta's surrounding metropolis. We here at I Am Youth Development Center believe that the three pillars of success are entrepreneurship, business ownership, and financial literacy. The pandemic shed a lot of light on systems that were not working. Employers concerned about their bottom line as opposed to the health and welfare of their employees who were ultimately helping that bottom line grow. We also saw the employers who cared about their employees could not pay them. It was a domino effect. Government couldn't take care of its people. Businesses couldn't take care of their workers. Workers couldn't take care of their families. I would see kids sitting in the patio at Wendy's. They were just trying to use the Wi-Fi to do their homework. This is dangerous for these kids. First of all, they're not at home. They're not indoors. They're not supervised. They just need to be close enough to use the Wi-Fi. Even though they needed to get work done, they wanted a comfortable space to do work. So I Am Youth Development Center is a membership-based work and social space for enrolled high school youth, environment conducive for virtual learning, peer-to-peer tutoring, as well as educators, either retired or internships. Entrepreneurs solve problems. We will be eliminating a number of social and economic issues for the next few generations, showing students how to create their own money, think independently, create opportunities, empower community. Businesses are usually formed from someone trying to solve a problem. The next thing to do or how to make something else better. They don't have to necessarily create that business, but they can own a business. They have the business mind, how to run the back office, all the admin work to get that business going. And what we're doing at I Am Youth Development Center, we are encouraging our youth to think independently or as a collaborative effort. Just because we can print money doesn't mean that we have the gold to back it up. Just because you have a physical check does not mean that you have money in the bank. I never felt like the education that the child was receiving in the school was enough. There are things missing. As long as we have a job, you are required to file taxes every single year. When have they taught us how to file taxes? When did they teach us how to buy a house, buying a car? These are legal documents that you have to sign, binding agreements. Understand that I just want to give these students an opportunity to be the business owners and entrepreneurs in tomorrow's world. A life solution to career building. One of the benefits of being a member of I Am Youth Development Center is our scholarship program. They will have the opportunity to compete and participate in winning a scholarship for having their business funded. We will have guest speakers who are business owners, entrepreneurs, who's in the financial literacy space, come in and do seminars, and the parents of those students are able to come and sit in those seminars for free. It's called I Am Youth Development Center because the I Am is part of an affirmation. I am a leader, I am confident, I am humble, I am important, I am intelligent, I am kind, I am loved, I am respectful, I am solution-oriented, and I am valuable. And if you believe that's who you are, you will start to behave in that manner, and you don't ask for permission to be you. It's your responsibility to continue to learn because the world keeps spinning and knowledge continues. I am Sean Henry, founder of I Am Youth Development Center. I am looking forward to moving you forward.